Welcome. In another video, we demonstrated how to upload a single document to the document library. In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can upload multiple documents at one time to the document library. First off, this feature is really only available in Internet Explorer. Other browsers such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox will not have this feature, and since Internet Explorer is not available for the Macintosh, any Macintosh browser will not have this feature either. To begin with, we can either click on the Add Document button like we used to on the previous one, and you notice here we have Upload Multiple Files as an option. If I'm using Internet Explorer, I'll see that. If I'm using another browser, that won't be there. This time if I click on it, it brings up my desktop and kind of shows me that, and then I can navigate down. This is not my favorite view and way to get around, and I think a lot of people might, especially if they're trying to get to the My Documents section, find it a little frustrating. So I'm going to hit Cancel. And in this case, I'm going to actually go and click on the college-wide shared documents link right up here. And that takes me into the document library itself. And I know I'm there because this big blue tab that says Library Tools pops up. It has two smaller sub-tabs, Documents and Library. And I want to choose Library. And then this gives me the ability to change around and look at the different views I have or other things I can modify with a library based on my privileges. One thing everybody should have is Open with Explorer if you're using Internet Explorer. If I click that link, it will open up the document library now in Windows Explorer. So it looks like my Windows Explorer, but since that and Internet Explorer really are the same thing, just without the URL buttons, I won't see that. And so I can simply go and open up another one. So I'm going to go open up my document library that I have here. Come down here and I want to sort these by name. Scroll down, and I uploaded faculty earlier, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to also, using the control button, select the student one and drag those to my window over here, and that'll let me drop to the shared document library. And I can choose at this point to copy it without the properties, or I can go ahead and put some properties. So I'm going to tell it yes. Same thing here. Now the one downside to this method is when I get back to my document library, unfortunately none of my tagging will have occurred. So then I need to go back and be a good SharePoint steward and tag this information on those particular documents so that'll help others go and find it when they go searching for it. To tag them, I'll need to find them first. So the easiest thing is probably to come up here and sort by modified. Find my particular date that I'm looking for, so today. And then I see the ones, there's faculty that I did. If I click on the button here, which is for the student team C1, I can then come over here and tell it to edit the properties. And this is where I get to my tagging information. So again, I'm just going to tell it college-wide, tell it form, comma application, and you get the picture of what we've done in a previous one